Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Xtreme plasma video. I've got the plasma table all back together now, up and running, and it's running very nicely, running very well indeed. In the last video we upgraded it from 2x2 to a 2x4. This has made a massive difference to the scope that I can actually cut. I've got one or two videos planned, instructional videos, how to set the table up after it's been modified, but today I'm just going to cut a simple piece of artwork out. This artwork was actually drawn by a friend of mine, a lad called Lee. I'll put a link to Lee's Instagram because he does some really good work, does fabrication work and does a lot of plasma cutting. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to run through the file that Lee sent me. I'm going to convert it to a G-code and cut it out. It's quite a moving file in a strange sort of way. I'm sure when you see it and you watch it and you think about it, it's got a very, very strong story to it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I've opened a program called Xtreme. Xtreme comes pre-installed in the software package you get. We need to import a drone, so click File, Import Drone. The drone's called Father Son 2, so if we put F in there, it'll bring all the F's up. Father Son 2, that's it there. This was actually the drone that my friend Lee did. I didn't draw it, he drew it and sent it to us. That's the thing we're going to cut out there. We need to set some parameters. We're going to use outside offset, layer 0. It's already set for 1.9mm plate. There's various different materials there, but we're using, it's actually 2mm, but 1.9's what we're going to set. Now there is a lot of rules that you can imply or that you can import onto the actual cutting operation, but for this job I'm simply going to leave it on default settings and just cut it and see what it comes out like. Okay. Right, so we're happy with that. Click OK. And that's actually how it's going to cut it. That's what it's going to look like when it's cut. You need to save this as a G code, so I'm going to call it Father's Day 2. We'll simply save that, and it would save that to the desktop, and we can then transfer it onto a memory stick, go up into the other shade and cut it out. I hope you found that short video interesting. It's just to give you some idea as to the sort of detail you can achieve in your own home workshop using one of these Xtreme plasma tables. If anybody wants one of those Father's Day gifts, all you have to do is send us an email. That's my email address up there, and I'm sure I'll be able to sort you out. Anyway, thanks for watching.